Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. First of all, let's pray. Our God Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us an blessing so we can attend and gather without any problem and obstacle. Secondly, my salawat always giving to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam who has yeah, okay. In this video, I want to podcast about the importance of time management. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Bayaki Hafid Abroni. You can call me Hafid. I'm from 9th grade IDN boarding school, Solo. Okay, you can introduce yourself.
Okay, I introduce myself. My name is Radi Bintang Dakya. You can call me Bintang, and I'm 9th grade from IDN boarding school, Solo.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, for the first question.
Yeah. The first question is, what is time management?
Okay, time management is simply how we use our time. If we wake up in the morning and just do anything we want without thinking, we might waste my hours. But if wake up and say, today I will study for 1 hour, play football for 1 hour, and read book before bed, this is time management. It's like being the boss of your own time. You decide what is important and what should come first. Without time management, time controls you. Yeah. But with time management, you can control your time. Okay.
Yeah.
That.
Okay. The symbol is time management, like managing your plan.
Yeah. Like planning your plan and planning your time to
Yeah.
for.
Okay.
And
You have example.
Yeah, I have example like 1 hour for you playing football and 1 hour playing game, like that's it, time management.
Okay. Then what is time management so important?
Why is time so important? Because time is life. When we waste time, we waste our life. Thinking about this, every person in the world has the same 24 hours in one day. A student, a teacher, a doctor, even famous football players, of them only get 24 hours, no more and no less. The difference is how they use those hours. Some people use their time to study, work hard and practice, that's why they become successful. But some people use their time to only play games or watching TV and his bedroom. At the end of the day, they did not grow and learn anything new. Anything new, I mean. Like you school from learning new material, yeah. Okay. That's
Okay. And then what makes people waste the time?
There are many things that makes us waste time. The first one is fun. We say, I will check Instagram for my 5 minutes, but then 1 hour is gone. That second is practice session. That means waiting until the last minute. For example, we know we have homework, but say I will do it later, and later becomes tomorrow, and tomorrow becomes next week. Other time waiters are watching too much TV, sleeping too much, and not having a plan. They didn't have plan for next day or next week. Okay.
Okay. And
If
then
you don't plan, you just do random things and start suddenly the day is finished without any progress.
okay.
Next.
Yeah. How do you plan your day?
Planning your day is not hard for me. You can take a piece of paper or a notebook and write the three things important tasks. For example, school homework and homework. Nah, and good activity like reading, playing sport, and helping parents. And fun activity, games, chatting, relax. But don't longer if you fun activity like games. Yeah, you can take time 1 hour. You should always put in important tasks first. After you finish them, you can enjoy the fun ones. This way you don't feel guilty when you play because you already finished your homework. Some students like to use calendar or pen planner. They write down homework, exam dates, and activity. This makes them feel ready and not forget anything. Okay, next six.
Oh, six. Yeah. What happen if you don't manage your time?
Uh, if we don't manage our time, many problems comes. Maybe there is many or something there is no. I don't know. We may miss deadlines for get homework. Nah, if you have homework, you must deadline. Your homework must be like I must done in 3 days in Saturday. Nah, like that.
Yeah.
Forget homework or feel stressed because we are rushing. We may stay up late to finish something and then feel sleepy in class in the next day. Without time management, we also lose balance. We don't have enough time for family, friends, or rest. We don't have time for with family and take a rest. Okay.
Okay. And then, do you use planner of calendar or calendar?
Uh, how can we focus first? Remove distraction. That means turn off the TV. Put the phone far away and sit in a quiet place. Second, do one task at a time. If you try to do many things at once, you may finish nothing short. Start with the hard task on it, then the rest feels easy. How about you? You focus on your important things or not?
Yes, I focus.
Okay.
Okay. And then simple versus deadline schedule.
Some people like simple schedule like study in the morning, play in the afternoon, rest night. Others like the time schedule like 8 o'clock until 9 o'clock math homework and 9 o'clock until 10 o'clock science project and at 10 until 10:30 break or take a rest. Both are fine. The important thing is follow the plan. Okay.
Okay. This is best tips for saving time.
Here are some simple things. Don't wait, don't do it. Don't wait, do it. Wake up early. Wake up early in the morning. The morning is fresh and quiet. And then prepare things before. For example, pack your school bag night. Use small breaks. Easily read a book. Clean your desk or help your mom. In the best tip for saving time, you can help your parents, your mom, like washing and then sweeping the floor and any else. Again, that small habits save a lot of time in the long run.
Okay. Time is like money. It's,
Yeah, time is like money. I imagine time is money. Every morning you get 24 hours, like getting $24. How will you spend it? How will you spend it if you not do it?
yeah, my time, like, what?
You will be not get
Yes,
money, yeah?
yes.
And then you just bad habit that
Yes.
do bad habits.
Yes.
If you waste it, it's gone. But if you invest it by studying, learning, helping, and resting, it will be give your more value in the future. For example, spending 1 hour studying today is like invest your future grades. Spending 1 hour exercising is like invest your health. Spending 1 hour helping your family like invest love and respect your our family. Okay.
Okay. Why do students need time management?
Uh, what the question?
Why do students need time management?
Because the student need time management. Uh, because if you know, if student not have time management, can distraction for like there's handphone in his table, and then I will play game, I will play handphone, and then open social media like Instagram or this for 5 minutes. Then,
Okay.
but he remember he do his homework, still homework. But a long time he will distraction with social media like scrolling on the TikTok or watching movie or YouTube, like that.
Nah, you have like a schedule for your manage your time. You have like,
I have schedule. Before I said 8 o'clock until 9 o'clock. I'm doing math homework. If not math homework, I do usually I do like my homework, and then 9 until 10 o'clock I do my project, science project. If not science project, I'm do making poster or I am reading a book. And then 10 until 10:30 I'm take a rest, for release stress. I usually in the 10 until that 10:30 I'm usually playing games or scroll TikTok or playing social media. Yeah.
okay. What what the name, what value, value,
The value.
yeah,
What do you mean value?
value, like if you manage your time.
The value we can grow up in the future, and then we can make new make good habits, not like before bad habits like we always lay in the bedroom and then don't know what they do, and then we'll be lazy and bedroom. We must have a good habits, and then we have value in the future for we future.
Okay. What do you usually do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up, pray, take a shower, eat breakfast, and get ready for school. That's a good habit, because I can go to school for early or go to class for early. Yeah.
Then, okay. And do you like waking up or early or late? Why? And why?
I like wake up early because I feel fresh and I have more time to do things. Nah, this tip for wake up early. Nah, the first you in the night you must be you must be sleepy early like 8 o'clock or any else.
Okay. And how many hours do you speak?
How many?
How many hours do you spend on your phone?
I use my phone about 2 until 3 hours a day, mostly for chatting games or learning. Like that.
Okay. And then, what is your
Biggest distraction.
biggest distraction? I mean.
My biggest distraction is my phone or my laptop in my front of this. Yeah. When I study, if I hear a message or see a notification, I want to check it. Once I check it, sometimes I spend a lot of time scrolling and then I forget study. Other distractions can be noise in the house, like TV, people talking. Then to avoid this, I try to my phone. I try put my phone away, or I study in a quiet place. If I can remove distraction, I can finish my study faster and better.
Okay. Then, how do you prepare for your exam?
When I'm preparing for an exam, I start by review my notes from school. I will review and I remember it again. That what I learned again in my school. I read the lesson again and underline the important points. Yeah. Then I try answer practice question or past exam. Prepare to test myself. I usually prepare a few days before the exam. Not only one night, so I don't feel stressed. I also make sure I sleep early and eat well. Because if I'm tired or hungry, I cannot think clearly. Preparing early makes me feel confident during the exam.
Okay. Do you think the teenager need more free time or more study time?
I think teenagers need good study time and free time study time is important because we need to learn, get good grades and prepare for our future. But free time is not also important because teenagers need to relax, play and enjoy life. Life, if we not study, we can feel very stressed. We not get anything if not study. And try it. But if but if we only play and never study, we will fail in a school. We always behind from our friend, yeah, in school. So the best way is balance enough time to study and enough time to rest or play. That way, teenager can be happy and successful.
Okay. If you had one extra hours every day, what will you do?
If I had one extra hours every day, I will use it for something useful. For example, I may read books because reading helps me learn new knowledge. Like Atomic Habits, I can new my experience with that book, new knowledge, and improve my English skill. Sometimes I will use the extra hours to play with my friend or spend time with my family. I think once extra is very valuable. If was it and nothing is gone, but if I use it for something good, it will help me in the future.
Okay. Who is better at time management, student or adults, and why?
I think adults are usually better at time management because they have more experience. Yeah, like he working and he had the adult have child like that. Yeah.
Okay.
More experience. Adults have to work, take care of the house, and plan many things. They know how to use time careful, but some students can also be good at managing time, especially if then they plan their study, play, and rest well. I think students can learn from adults how to use time better. If students practice time management now, they will grow up be adults who are very organized.
Okay. Do you think it's better to plan every detail or to be visible with them?
I think both are useful. If you plan every detail, you know exactly what to do every hour. This is good for every busy days like exam days or when you have many activity. But being flexible is also important because sometimes plans can change. For example, maybe you can plan study 3 o'clock, but suddenly your teacher give extra homework or your family needs your help. So far, so for me, I prefer a simple plan that is flexible. That way, I know what I should do, but I can also change if something important happens.
Okay, what do you want to achievement this year with good time management?
This year, with a good time management, I want to achieve better grades at school and also improve my English. Also want to have enough time for sport, like playing football because it keeps my health. Another goal is to spend more time with my family and then and help them at home. I believe if I manage my time well, I can do all of testing without feel stress. My dream is to successful in a school but also happy in life and time management will help me do that.
Do you like sport?
Yeah, like sport. I like sport, football and futsal.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, and then why do people need goals in life?
People need goals because goals give direction. Without goals, life is like walking without a map. We don't know where we are going. For starting, a goal might be getting good grades, joining a good school, or winning a competition like robotic competition. In Indian boarding school, we always joining a competition like robotic competition, sumo competition, my followers, scratch competition, like that. For adults, it might be finding a good job or supporting their family. Goals make us motivated to use our time wisely. For example, if my goal is to pass an exam, I will study every day. If my goal is to be a good football player, I will practice often. Goals make life meaningful because every day we are moving closer to something important.
Why is discipline important for student?
Discipline is important because it helps students build a good habits. Like before, I said, when when we are disciplined, we follow rules and we do the right things even when it is hard. For example, a disciplined student will study at the right time, comes to school on time and homework without excuse. Discipline also makes teacher and parents trust us more. Yeah, we parent will be easy to trust to we. Yeah.
Yeah.
Without discipline, life become easy. We forget homework. We play too much. Our break rules. Discipline is like engine. You know engine? Yeah. That makes us reach our goal.
Example for discipline.
Discipline like we always follow the rules.
Oh.
If you have the rules in your home, like tomorrow I must play game or play phone 3 hours. Yeah, like that.
Okay. What happen is people are lazy.
If people are lazy, many bad things happen. First, they waste time doing nothing. Second, they miss opportunities. Maybe they don't study and fail exam, or they don't practice and never get better at sport. Laziness also makes people depend on the other instead of working hard themselves. In the long term, laziness can make life unhappy because lazy people don't achieve their dream. That's we that's why we must fight laziness with action. Even small steps every day are better than doing nothing.
Yeah. Okay. How can student balance study and play?
Students can balance study and playing by planning their time. For example, they can study in afternoon after school and then play with friends in the evening. They can also use every weekend for rest and hobbies after finish homework. Balance is very important because if we only study, we become stressed, but if we only play, we fail in school. A good balance makes students smart and happy at the same time. Okay.
Okay. Why should we respect them?
We should respect. Yeah, we should respect time because time is life. Time cannot back to yeah, you know. Respecting time means coming to school on time, finishing tests on time, and not wasting hours on useless things. If we respect time, people will also respect us. For example, if we arrive late, teacher may think we are careless, but if we are always on time, they see us as responsible. Respecting time also makes our life more organized. It shows that we value every minute because every minute is chance to do something good.
Okay. 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 Who can technology help us save them?
Technology can help us save time is in many ways. For example, with a phone, our computer, or in laptop, we can search for information quickly instead for spending hours in the library. With online learning, we can study from home without traveling. Yeah. With a calendar app, we can set reminders for homework and activity. But technology can also waste time if we use too much for games, social media. So we must be careful. Use technology as a tool, not as a distraction, like AI. AI is that tools from yeah, but I don't know from laziness in the outside. Maybe for in the outside people, AI will be like distraction.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You have a conclusion here. Conclusion.
Okay. My conclusion is time management is not just about finished tasks. It is about making our life better. When we manage time, we can balance school, family, friends, and rest. We can enjoy fun without stress because we already finished our work. So remember, time is life. Don't waste it. Plan it. Use wisely. If you manage your time well, you can reach your dreams, make your family proud, and life happy. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Conclusion is time is important. If you waste it but cannot get it back. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Maybe this all from us. Thank you for your nice attention. Let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.